And one of the very, very unique features of Excel Public School is the quality of our engagement with the larger community, especially with the parent community. We used to have, our parents being active part of the school ecosystem, with our parents walking in to the campus on many occasions to be active participants or well-wishers of the programs. The online teaching learning times too witnessed the involvement of our parents in a slightly different profile, of course, but we could continue to retain that association of the school with the parent community. And Ms. Maya, Headmistress EPS Kootagalli, she is going to take us through a presentation on the involvement of the parent community during the pandemic times. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, one and all present here. Respected Chairman, Professor M.H. Dhananjaya, Secretary, Mr. D. Sudanva, School Correspondent, Mr. H.M. Prashant, Principal, Mr. Matthew K.G., Vice Principal, Mrs. Gubain Matthew, members of Excel Soft, and all my dear colleagues in Excel Public School. To quote Jane D. Hull, at the end of the day, the most overwhelming key to a child's success is a positive involvement of parents. We have shared learning at EPS involving parents and the community. In the upcoming slides, we will see why and how we achieved this shared learning. We will also see the artifacts that serve as the evidence to this shared learning experience. Many researchers held in the domain of education have led to the conclusion that partnership with parents and other experts in the teaching learning process has a positive impact on grades, behavior, attendance, social and leadership skills of students. This is why at Excel we have nurtured a learning community which consists of parents and a pool of experts from various fields. We used to have n number of opportunities for parents to be involved with us. Due to the pandemic, we couldn't have parents come to campus. Therefore, we felt determined to think creatively to maximize parent involvement in the given possibilities. Surprisingly, this year, we witnessed more involvement of parents in the teaching learning process of their wards. Moving on, how we implemented this at our school. We optimized on AAC, BC groups, and PTMs. Next, we approached various parents and experts to create a pool of knowledge resources. This way, we had parents come as experts. And then we had plenty of opportunities for family fun activities. External experts were involved through seminars and talks. And then more experts were involved through student-led interviews. AAC was designed by NCERT to ensure uniformity in learning in all CBSE schools. We embraced NEP 2020 and CBSE initiatives very well. Further, we customized these to suit the EPS culture of parent involvement. It has been our core practice to have parents be our equal partners in nurturing our children. To maximize transparency with parents aligned to competency-based education, we customized the AAC and shared periodically with parents through broadcast group. Virtual PTMs and one-on-one interactions were conducted for us to communicate, connect, and collaborate. These interactions helped us to understand their queries. We could reach out to the parents who needed our support to know how to access the classes and the learning materials sent to them. This helped parents understand lesson plans and path forwards with a clear medium of communication. This year, as we switched to the online mode of learning, we created a broadcast group which helped us to interact with our parents regularly to update them with the happenings in the online classes. our proximity with the parent community increased. Another way in which we could involve parents was by identifying their expertise in different fields and inviting them to take sessions for our students. We had approximately 25 parents taking sessions. I've included just a few as part of this presentation. Additionally, we had eminent doctors like Dr. Moti Esan, Dr. Prashant MR, and Dr. Balaji MD. They took a session on the physical and emotional well-being of adolescents. Our vast Indian mythology and scriptures are full of eternal wisdom stories that uplift, inspire, and fascinate, which the children can imbibe from the grandparents. We are happy that in EPS family, we too had opportunities with our grandparents sharing their learning with our students. To specify a few, Mr. Krishna Kumar Madhya, who took a class on Kuvempu's poem Hasru. He also gifted valuable books to the school library. We had Mrs. Mamta Das, who took a session on Swami Vivekananda. Mrs. Manikya Anandaramu shared her childhood memories in relation to the lesson Nanumattu Hunjina Mara. We also hosted a few activities for parents and family members. Quality time with the family builds and strengthens the family bonds, providing a sense of belongingness and security for everyone. A family talent show was organized mainly for the parents of students studying in classes 1 and 2. They had the option of staging a comedy skit or playing a musical instrument, etc. The videos sent were compiled and shared with the parents through broadcast group. 154 parents participated in this program. Kannada Kada Samaya. Here, parents were asked to narrate and record stories based on themes assigned to them. 22 parents participated in this program. The videos sent were compiled and shared with the parents through broadcast group. Poetry is a form of expression which lets out our thoughts and feelings and encourages us to connect and find meanings in life. We were fortunate to organize online Kavigoshti for our parents. 14 parents of our school recited their own poems. Mr. Krupa Manjunath was the chief guest of the program. Additionally, we involved a group of experts from across the globe to take webinars and sessions in their field of expertise. This pool of experts included authors, filmmakers, medical experts, and so on. Some of them are mentioned here. A few more are Mr. Krishna Ramkumar, CEO and co-founder of Avanti, who spoke about choosing careers. And we had Dr. Yash, who talked about the conservation of leopards. Finally, we had a bunch of our students from higher secondary. As a part of their life skill classes, they got an opportunity to have student-led talk series. They interviewed various experts from different parts of the globe under the guidance of Ms. Reena Soniga. We, as EPS, have been fortunate to be surrounded by loving parents. We thank our parent community for their active involvement and continuous support. Even in these desperate times, you have been with us. Thank you. I would also like to thank the management, our principal and vice principal for this opportunity. Thank you all.
Thank you, Maya, for the presentation. I mean, one of the biggest strengths of Excel Public School is our positive reciprocal association with our parent community. And the pandemic time too, we experienced the support, the encouragement, and the generous contributions of the parent community, to the functioning of the school in multiple ways. I'm sure we would continue this, whether the next academic year is going to be online or offline. So these were the 7 areas we thought we would capture some evidences and present on this occasion. I'm very glad that we got this opportunity to present it before you, as well as some of our colleagues who have joined us from Excelsoft. I would request you, sir, to give your suggestions, your feedback, and your thoughts on how we could go forward and the areas where we can do more than what we have already done. Over to you, sir.